Good morning, guys. It is the second full day. I'm just really tired. Like I get like 5 a.m. and then I still haven't slept since then. And it's like 9. About to go eat. We're gonna go to a cenote. But that's the game plan so far. After the cenote, I would love to come back here and take a nap. Look how burnt you are. Oh my. Wait, look at me.
If I don't get more burnt, I think I'll be fine tomorrow.
Yeah, this place is really close. Okay, so we found this place called Dilla. I don't know, but you guys can meet it there.
En el respecto. No voy a too many turtles. Oh, there's a bigger one. They don't want our attention.
Okay, so we've been back from the cenote. I know earlier I said I was gonna take a nap, but apparently we're gonna go get ice cream at this like vegan ice cream truck that Kendall read about, so we're gonna go do that. So the ice cream place is sadly not open right now because I guess it's siesta hours, like 1 to 3 p.m. So, guess we're gonna come back later. Y'all pray for us. We can find some vegan ice cream in this. Okay, so we found this place called El Vegetariano, and Abel's not eating anything here.
Get some street food.
Just trying to get some street tacos later. And how do you feel about your tacos?
The best vegan taco I've ever had.
I got the mushroom and onion quesadillas with guac. It's amazing.
Great.
Okay, so I forgot to vlog earlier when we woke up from our nap, but we took about an hour and a half nap, and then we woke up and we came out to look for a place to eat dinner. Turns out we found this really sweet looking place. It is a sweet place actually. It's called Tito Tum. And yeah, I put on some makeup and we have been eaten alive. Halfway eaten alive. If you guys come to Tulum, wear bug spray if you go out when the sun is setting, because this is the first time we're out here at this time and we're just getting eaten alive, so we're just like, alright, now we know not to come out here in the dark.
I'm a living buffet for the
Yeah.
bugs.
I sprayed bug spray all over me, but they'll go for the places where I forgot to spray, like even my little toes. Like I got one there earlier, so.
Show them the lizards.
Oh my god, wait, we should tell the story of the lizard in the pool earlier. What happened?
So earlier we were swimming in the pool of our like Airbnb, and there's a cat that is around there, and as me and Hannah are swimming in it, the cat just chases, like runs up to the pool, and we hear something plop, and we're like, what is that? And
the cat's
cat is
super
like trying to
concerned.
get into like the filter of the water, and so I like lift up the thing, and there's like this lizard, probably about this long, right? And it like is just sitting there. We're like, wait, is this lizard dead? What's going on?
Yeah, it really
And
looked
so I
dead.
like touch its tail and it didn't move, and I like touch its body and it didn't move, and then I touched its head and it like swam off and swam and was trying to get out of the pool. And so I took like the lid to the thing and I put it under, it helped it out, and then it just got up on its hind legs and just like ran away.
ran, like-
It was really funny. It's like
And then the
super
cat
gross.
was so dumb. It didn't even.
It just kept poking at the filter. It was like,
Yeah,
it's
the
still
cat
in
didn't
there.
even notice that it was gone.
Just trying to get some
It
lease
was,
water.
it was funny because me and Abel were like pretty concerned at first when we just heard a plop. We were like, what's in the water?
Is it a snake? Is it a
Yeah,
lizard?
I was
What is
thinking
it?
maybe it was a snake too, but I didn't want to say
Yeah,
anything. Okay, so I got a salmon. It's really good. I'm definitely gonna have to take it back though, because I cannot finish all those. You got the sauteed shrimps.
Shrimp scampi.
Oh, from Scampi.
Nice.
And she got some pita bread and hummus. It's already gone now.